Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we plant radish seeds in a container or a grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. Alrighty, we're going to use these two containers to grow some radishes. Radishes are a wonderful spring crop, and we can plant like 2 pots this week, 2 pots next week, 2 pots the week after, and have a succession planting so that you can have radishes coming on for a couple of months until the night temperatures get too high. The radishes, they'll do really well. So the way I'm going to plant these is I'm just going to draw 3 little lines in here, and this is our secret seedling soil mix. I'll put a link below in case you need to get that recipe so you can make this beautiful soil too. This is a wonderful sandy loam soil that we're using to grow our containers in. And then I'm going to get some radish seeds here. And what I want to do is I want to just drop them in my row. I want to bury the radish seeds about 3 times their width with soil. So I'm going to put the seed in like that. And I'm just going to knock the soil over the top of the radish seeds and get them buried in. Radishes do well with the light frost. They do well in the full sun while it's cool. As the summer comes on, you could try some radishes in the shade, but by that time we're usually tired of eating radishes. So okay, and then the next thing I want to do is to put some mulch. It's just some grass clippings over the top of this so that we can hold in more moisture. And we will get the hose out and get these watered as soon as we get everything planted. So you want to keep them wet. They're going to germinate if the night temperatures are not too bad. They're going to germinate in about a week. So we hope to see these in a week. And also I can put, this is a lightweight frost blanket. I can put that over the top of them to help hold in the moisture. I can water right through this, so I can leave this on. It also helps stop some of the wind that could be blowing across the pot. That would be pulling the moisture out of the soil. So to germinate these, I think I'll use the light frost blanket and keep these really wet. And then we should have some nice radishes up in about a week. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week -3. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.